रूम टूर देखने आए हो? नहीं मिलेगा, दूसरे चैनल पे जाओ। हाँ, ये इसी चैनल पे है। रूम टूर स्टार्ट्स नाउ, एंजॉय। So this is the corridor in the Mandakini hostel and you can see the rooms are over here and then लोग आते अपना कपड़ा इधर सुखाते हैं. So before going to my room, which is right here, we will show you this. So this is water cooler जिसमें आपको normal, hot and cold water आता है. So this is a good plus here, and there is a washing machine area where you can see there are 3 washing machines, this and this. And then what you simply do is just put your clothes over here and then उसके बाद यहाँ पे clothes डालने के बाद बस कपड़े सूख जाते हैं, dry भी हो जाता है kind of, not fully, but then again you have to go and put it over here. Now let's go to my room directly. That's over there is the washroom. You can go over here and welcome to my room. That's my roommate, Shubham. Let's not disturb him, but let's see the room here. So इधर मैं अपने essentials रखता हूँ जो भी होता है, and that's a small mirror. And this is the spare table, the third person के लिए table. इस रूम में सिर्फ अभी 2 लोग हैं, एक शुभम है और एक मैं हूँ. This is the bed that I sleep on. नीचे बाल्टी वगैरह जो भी which is used. This is my desk. And this is where all the पढ़ाई लिखाई happens, and recently I ate a cup noodle because breakfast नहीं किया था. Lol. This is the cupboard where you put all the essentials. There are lots of cupboard. There are 2 up. There is 1 down. There is over here where you put your clothes here. And then these chairs are also amazing. As you can see, it's must cushion में है. And then ये बीच वाला bed तो we literally use for miscellaneous जो भी सामान रखते हैं. मैं तो अपने कप्स बॉटल्स रखता हूँ. ये भी बॉटल रखता है और कुछ भी मतलब बिन बात का सामान इधर रखा रहता है. शुभम इज एंजॉइंग हिज रील्स राइट नाउ. ये शुभम का डेस्क है, वो उसका एरिया पूरा. एंड that's it for the room, and that's me, and you can see here. Now some details about this hostel and how it is. So number 1, as you saw, there is 3 beds sharing. Some of them are single bed, some of them are double bed, and some of them are 3 sharing. So our room is 3 sharing, but the third person is not yet allotted. So that's why we are just 2 people in this room. Hence it is pretty good. There is also a pantry in this hostel. There is an induction, there is a microwave there. You can go and do whatever you want. Do cooking if you want to. If you have Maggie, if you have anything else, go do your cooking over there. There is a gym in the hostel. There is a badminton court in the hostel. There is a basketball court. There is a volleyball court. There is a snooker table. There is a carom table. There is a TT table, chess area. There is an ironing area. This hostel is pretty good, and if you ask me, it has every facilities you can ever think of, and I don't think you will have to spend any more penny once you come here. That's it. And with the fees that they take, the infrastructure is pretty good. And in this hostel, there is no in time out time. It's pretty good and it's pretty amazing. So this was the room tour, and I will be putting more videos very soon. So welcome to the channel, and thanks for watching this video.